Hello guys, this is Jin. I've just got to Fiji and today I have a tour around the Nadi town. Let's check what's there. There's some shopping mall. It's cheaper than definitely Australia, but it's not like very cheap though. Wow, I think this is cheap and very thin material. It'll be good for cycling actually. I keep thinking I want a Fijian cloth. Should I get here one? Finally I bought a Fijian cloth. This looks so familiar, like from Australia, isn't it? That's nice park, nice shade to sit down and relax. And this is like souvenir market. La, can I take the? Thank you.
Fiji holiday?
Yeah.
How long?
Oh, 1 month or something. Oh no, I'm just tourist.
Oh, from Japan?
Korea.
Korea?
Yeah.
Annyeong.
안녕.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Where are you from?
South Korea.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Welcome, you come.
Thanks.
Come. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Service.
No, I'm alright. I'm
No, I
alright.
want to welcome you.
Uh,
Fiji welcome.
what's that?
From my village.
Yeah?
Sit down. Friendly people. Video now.
You know?
Just sit down, we talk if you like.
I'm alright. Thank you. Yeah. Nice shopping mall. So this side is about Christian and this side Hindi. Yeah, there's Fiji. Let's look around market. So this market closed. They only open between 7 to 5. So I'll come back tomorrow when I pass by bicycle. So there's some street market here. There must be bus, taxi. La. So many people in front of the ATM after 5 p.m. Actually, everything is closed down 5 and now traffic getting busy because everybody is going home and yeah, maybe it's time to go home for me as well. For me, it was a really interesting day. Like I could feel like the atmosphere of the local people laughing and you know, some is nice, fancy building and some is just like traditional and some is just street. So everything was mixed and I enjoyed. I'll post about the market on the other video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.